Multi-factor authentication, MFA, is a security system that requires more than one method of authentication from independent categories of credentials to verify a user's identity for a login, transaction, or other system process. Think of it as an additional layer of security that makes it more difficult for unauthorized users to access sensitive information or systems. MFA moves us beyond the single password access to a company's network and other resources and requires further authentication from users. MFA includes a combination of something a user knows, such as a password, PIN, or the answer to a security question, something a user has, such as a security token or smart device, and something a user is, the result of a biometric verification like a fingerprint, retinal scan, or facial recognition. Because of the sophisticated social engineering hacks being used today, it is easy to understand why an increasingly substantial amount of government agencies, especially various intelligence agencies, are using all three form factors. But MFA is not exclusive to government agencies. Many non-government organizations are using two-factor authentication, 2FA, to keep their systems secure, especially with more and more employees working from home. Next, we'll see how this might work in your organization.